Thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews, and we're going to be taking a look at the Forest River Work and Play 30 WQB. Come on inside, we'll take a look. As you can see here on the outside, the nice heavy-duty MORryde steps. And as we come in, this is going to be the kitchen area. Nice L-shaped countertops. Nice and big fridge. A whole bunch of storage up top on both sides. Your couch here that folds out into a bed, and your entertainment system here with a subwoofer and a Furrion, which actually puts out heat. It's got the flames on it, but it's enough heat to heat the unit. And as you curve around here, you see walk around bed on both sides with a ton of storage above. 2 sliding doors, nice and easy access with power and USB on both sides. And as we come back this way, here's your restroom. As you can see here, nice with storage here and above, and a good sized shower with storage below. So a nice good sized restroom. And as we step back into the garage, you'll notice the power bunks here. This is electronic, goes to the roof, and then you have couches on both sides that will also go to the roof. And then on the back deck here, it's either the entry ramp, or you can fold it out flat and use it as a back patio. And then on this side here is a full entertainment setup, nice hanging rack with storage on both sides, audio controls, and your television hookup. And this here is a basement storage, as you can see, nice and deep there. And then you'll have an electric awning, exterior marine grade speakers with LED lighting all the way across. And as we come around this way, nice powered tongue jack. And then this system has auto leveling hydraulic lifts. So nice and easy, all you have to do is tap the auto level button and it does everything for you. And this one here, a pretty large generator, the 5500 Cummins. All of your water hookups, cable satellite hookups out here. And this will be the fuel station, so you don't have to carry around the gas cans. Nice nozzle here so you can fuel everything up. And the hydraulic lifts. And back here you can see the lift gate, unlike some of them, nice and clean, not a bunch of fixtures on them. And then again on this side, more hydraulic jacks and your rear entry. Thank you very much.